Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Jess. Thank you so much for stopping by, clicking on today's video, and if you want, be sure to subscribe down below. If you can't tell, I just woke up. But today I'm going to be taking you along for a day in the life. It is now technically my summertime. I'm actually still in my college dorm room. I'm staying on campus for, I think, this week. Well, okay, I am. I'm staying on campus this week to hang out with my friends. Today is going to be a couple of fun things, and I just wanted to take y'all along. Bed is all made now, so we're good to go. My roommate, if you haven't already watched my last video, but my roommate left, so like her part of the room is empty. We also didn't have her bed like that for the whole year, but we moved it just because my friends and I kind of like to spread out, like chill on the blanket. It used to be a rug. A whole long story, but her part is empty. And mine's gonna probably be empty too, but I am trying to enjoy it like one last time before I have to take it all apart because it's so cute. It makes me happy. But now it is time for me to put on some real clothes and go to breakfast. This might actually be the least cute thing I've worn all week, but I am so tired. I stayed up too late, y'all. I am addicted to watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I need to be stopped. I think I'm gonna cut myself off today, but I'm just wearing these Old Navy shorts. The shirt is from Target. I like how like loose and lightweight it is. My fake Birks from Target again. You know, we're balling on the budget out here, but I am about to go grab breakfast with Sarah and then get started with my day. Breakfast. I am bad. So Sarah and I are just chilling in the lobby right now. I'm editing a video for tomorrow and trying to get that done before I do some fun stuff today. So we're just sitting here and there's a point to this clip. Oh, so after breakfast, I ended up FaceTiming our friend Jessica and we made our plans and we're gonna go out today and we're really excited. But before we go out and do stuff, I was like, okay, I gotta get a little bit of work done. So we're gonna see if I can get this video done. Happy hour, and there's so many tiny animals. He doesn't love to be held as much. So cute. Kona ice. Wait, what flavor did you get?
I got mango.
Okay, I got banana. I feel like no one ever gets banana. That's my favorite flavor. So right now is happy hour, which means it's just one big party. I'm such a mess. Okay, so today it is happy hour. They're kind of doing like a little end of year celebration and it's really nice too. Like the animals were like really soothing during final season, I feel like. But yeah, now I'm gonna like eat really quick so this doesn't melt on me. Okay, so it is about 3 p.m. now, a little bit after, but Jessica and I finished up hanging out outside. It was so nice. We were just sitting on the picnic blanket, eating some Kona ice. We went back to the petting zoo a second time because we wanted to get some Insta posts for Jessica and to like, honestly, I need to see the bunnies one more time. They were super sweet. But I think we're going to the park now, so I have like a blanket for us to sit on. I kind of think I might need sunscreen because as you can tell, I'm quite fair. I might just put some on before we leave. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, so like I usually carry ponchos. I think she's just gonna do a post for work really quick. I'm gonna make sure I have all my stuff together and then we are going to head out. We're at Zilker now.
Yay. Oh, hi.
Oh. Okay, Jessica and I have set out our blanket and now we're chilling at Zilker.
It's sunny. There's so many dogs.
It's so, oh my gosh, the dogs.
So, they are so happy.
I love it. But so we brought some watermelon, so we ate our watermelon and now I think we're gonna take a selfie. I think we really at this point wish we had a dog with us.
We do.
But yeah, we're just chilling out, sitting on our blanket. But yeah. Hey guys, I am back at my dorm now. Jessica and I were just at the park for probably, I don't know, I guess a couple hours. Summers. We've been together all day because she came over when my dorm was having like a petting zoo, so we hung out with the animals for a while. Super, super fun. I posted a picture actually of me holding like a bunny, I think, and a chicken, or yeah. If you haven't already followed me on Instagram though, I'll have that link down below. But yeah, I have had so much fun today just chilling and like not having to worry about school is so nice. I love summer so much, and I just like I just want to spend time with my friends, and like I'm really excited to be capturing more of that this summer. Now that I'm back though, Adrian and I are about to head to dinner. Hey guys, I have been in my room for a little while now, but I just finished throwing together like an overnight bag. I was actually going in the morning to go to Houston with my mom, just staying back really quick, but now it just seems easier because all my friends are like not here, and I was gonna have a chill night in, but I'm not a morning person right now at this point in my life. I used to be, but I'm not a morning person right now, so it's a lot easier to leave right now at like 8 o'clock. Well, wait. It's only 7 o'clock. It's so much easier to leave at 7 with my bag than it would be to leave in the morning. So I'm just making sure I have everything, and then I am going to head out.